Hi, this is Ilakya from Smart Home Decors. Today we are going to talk on the traditional Chettinad style house. This site is located in Viluppuram district, Otteripalayam, where the total area is 5,000 square feet and the built-up area is 2,800 square feet. And this area is totally concentrated in the center of the village. Heritage homes are very evident, like a palace, right from outside, like a beautiful gates, tall boundaries, carved walls, beautifully decorated outer verandas, heavy teak wood doors, idols carved in the center, so on and so forth. As you enter both sides garden area through the main door, you can find the yari, which is used like a highlighter for the massive entrance. Yali are very old, but they became prominent in South Indian sculptures in the 16th century. Yali, believed to be more powerful, called the Indian dragon. Yali is considered to be the Vahana of Buddha. The outer porch, or it's also called veranda, is an important and an intrinsic part of the most old Chettinad homes. So we have done a massive and a beautifully carving sculptures, right side concept of Buddha and left side of goddesses Saraswati using a natural stones. Porch is the highlight with natural brick cladding for the wall and stone sculpture has been highlighted. From the entrance switches to the chandelier, antique materials have been used to maintain the traditional heritage. Entering the portico, two high-raised pillars on either side have been used to emphasize the space. Intricately, high 9 feet teak wood doors has been used for the main entrance to get the royal look. Either side of the walls have been decorated with the wooden decors, antique chandeliers. And when coming to the living space, 25 feet into 25 feet, large living come with the dining space with open kitchen. The open kitchen gives a contemporary look to the living space. Terracotta colored with an yellow motifs, Aatankudi tiles has been laid all over the living space with the highlighted boundaries. To break the monotony for the kitchen and the bedrooms, we have used a different combination of colors of Aatankudi tiles. Olden used teak wood furnitures is used all over the space to maintain the traditional heritage of the house. Veneer finished kitchen is made to match the vintage look of the entire kitchen. Concrete molding has been used to highlight the ceiling with a warm white combination to brighten the space. Mirror features a rectangular frame fashioned from the wooden ascent from Nelavasal from the old house which was already existing. Excellent amalgamation of colored imported Belgian glasses have been used for the windows, which gives you a vibrant color and a very rich look. Master bedroom of the house is located in the first level. Keeping all these details in the mind, to highlight the area, we have used a cartwheel and a mahogany easy chair.